Let's explain the connection between the host and the projector. This is the projector, the power cord of the projector. Host, the power adapter of the host. This is the remote control switch of the host. HDMI cable, serial cable, wireless keyboard and mouse, USB extension cable for wireless mouse and keyboard. Then we now concatenate them. The host is connected to the HDMI interface of the projector through an HDMI cable. Connect the USB port of the serial cable to the USB port of the computer. The other end is connected to the RS-232 interface of the projector. This is an extension cable connected to the wireless keyboard and mouse receiver. This remote switch is for power. Then supply power to the host and projector. Here's the whole wiring. Then you can control the switch of the computer through the remote control. The device has started after clicking the switch. Later, I will show you the debugging of the software part.